Buenos dias. Good day. We're in Xochimilco. I'm Chris Daniel and welcome to my channel. Behind me are traditional boats called trajineras. We'll be taking those trajineras to explore the canals of Xochimilco. Let's go!
Mechilada is like 90.
So one of the best things to do when you're on a trajinera is to have a bottle of Corona. Cheers! Salud! So there's so much traffic going on. The trajineras are like all over the place. And it's chaotic, like it's an organized chaos. So he's mixing a mechilada here, which is a special concoction of
Las mejores micheladas de
Mechilada.
México. Sí, michelada.
So that's beer, cerveza, and clamato.
Es cerveza con sal, limón, tajín, miguelito, salsa Maggi inglesa y clamato.
Wow, that sounds so yummy.
Sí, el sabor es como un poco agrio, dulce y picante.
So it's a drink with all the good stuff in it. So over there, she's preparing tacos. So that's how they prepare lunch. So I think these are the nopales. It's made of cactus. Good. Let's check out this fried tortillas. Funky. Oh wow, the mariachi band is coming. hope you enjoyed our tour of Xochimilco. Hope to see you again next time. Bye!